Hey, lovely moms, it's Nidhi here, and this is my day 3 review for the Little Coughs cough syrup. And I've already started feeling a lot better by having this 5 mils of um, the syrup for 3 times a day. So I've done this twice now, like 2 days in a row, and today's the third day. But I think I will not be taking it 3 times today as I feel so much better. But maybe, yeah, 2 times a day, and hopefully, I should not be taking anything tomorrow and I'll get better. Thanks, guys. This is a must to have at home. Bye bye.